What's going on, everyone? Sebastian here with Crypto News, bringing you the best crypto content on a daily basis. Today, we're going to be talking about crypto exchanges with the best UX design. Crypto exchanges, platforms, and applications can be pretty complex to use due to their busy user interface and often cluttered navigation. One thing an average investor trader significantly battles with and shouldn't be overlooked when choosing a crypto exchange is the crypto exchange design user's experience. A good UX or UI design promotes the ease of use and functionality of a website while also enhancing its credibility. The adoption of cryptocurrency, particularly crypto trading, sometimes seems complex for users. Starting from purchasing bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies, an average individual encounters a myriad of challenges and misunderstandings in terms of UX because of the complexity of consumer-ready cryptocurrency products. These user experience challenges can result from issues in the overall user journey, hidden complexity in the architecture, user interface issues, etc. Therefore, it's crucial to develop a friendly and thought-through UI designed to eliminate any challenges while trading and providing increased efficiency and simplicity for users to meet their needs. So without further ado, let's take a look at our picks. CoinBase. Simple and intuitive, these are among the top objectives to describe this cryptocurrency exchange when you land on their homepage. Coinbase has a clean, easy-to-use interface devoid of clutters and a breeze to navigate. The dashboard displays all the essential information a user will likely require at a glance, including price charts, portfolio holdings, and recent activity, with easy access to tools, trading features, and account settings on the side. Site-wise, a variety of hover effects engages the users, providing them with a sleek and professional feel. If you're using the platform on a mobile device, you'll find that the website performs seamlessly and ensures a pleasant scrolling experience. Notice that as you scroll, the menu bar is consistently fixed at the top of the page. This gives you enhanced navigation through the website. The call to action buttons appear colorful, distinguishing them from other elements of the website. The simple creative touches applied to the UX design of the Coinbase website makes it a solid choice for crypto newbies due to its familiar appeal that can be likened to a conventional trading website. Now there's CoinBase Pro. Many traders perceive CoinBase Pro as a complicated version of Coinbase. However, this crypto exchange isn't for only advanced users, as it has numerous learning resources to get you started, a step-by-step guide for newbies, and a user-friendly UI. The landing page greets you with legible spanning text and a blue call to action that is sharp shade from the overall environment. Below the fold is a list of crypto pairs animated to run from right to left. This gives a more dynamic feel to the page. You can get a full list of the trading pairs when you click on the Markets button at the top. The attractive but simplistic trading dashboard allows users to preview the coin's valuation chart, portfolio of the coins a user currently holds, and a transaction activity tracker. Users can also see trade history, real-time order books, and charting tools within the same space. The creation of the mobile and web app has ensured that users can now get an enhanced user experience when on the exchange. Binance. The crypto exchange design on Binance consists of a blend of smart usage of colors and interactive elements to produce a professional and stunning website. The homepage displays bold headings and prominent call to actions cascaded with grids, blocks, and images to highlight key info, making it come across as clinical. Beyond the fold, the first thing you notice is that bold price chart and a section where users can download the Binance app as per their device requirements. The design uses numerous animations to ensure that browsing the website is engaging. Take a look at the drop-down hover effects on the navigation bar and the upward moving effects in the Get App area. The mobile version simplifies the UI more, especially if you choose Binance Lite. Check out the page transitions, which culminates the entire interactive elements, ensuring a compelling journey for users, including crypto newbies, throughout their session on the website. The overall UX design is simple, bold, and appealing, and it has a fantastic combination. Next, there's Bittrex. We'd expect a great UX design from an exchange that has millions of users trading on its platform, and Bittrex doesn't disappoint. The homepage welcomes us with bold headings and prominent blue call to actions, which create sharp contrast from the rest of the page. Below the fold, fun animated images help users. The website layout varies from page to page while maintaining a great appeal and a clear visual hierarchy. The sign-up page, consisting of simple instructions, ensures that your registration process is straightforward. It's as easy as entering your email and password and ends at providing photographic evidence, all of which is completed within a couple of minutes. The marketplace is seamless too. The trading pairs are intuitively listed so you can find and select whichever pair you prefer. There's also a search function to help you filter out the trading pair you are looking for. Notice that when browsing, the top menu bar remains fixed and accessible, enhancing user navigation. Overall, this dynamic crypto design does a great job of engaging its users all through their trading activities. Now we have Gemini. Gemini has an extremely friendly UI design for beginners. They developed a clean trading environment for traders both experienced and newbies, with huge blocks of unmistakable text that inform users on the exact places to go. The homepage greets you with big blocks of prominent text bordered by vastly white spaces. This enhances the legibility and readability of the website. You'll also notice the animations, transitions, and hover effects that make the website dynamic and come to life. The dashboard is unmistakably intuitive. Signing up for an account on Gemini is as smooth as you'd expect. Just click on the Get Started button on the upper right hand of the landing page and you're on your way. The marketplace is simple to understand. You can scroll and locate your preferred trading pair without any hassle. The introduction of the mobile app provides users with an easier and more direct experience of everything the desktop version of the exchange has to offer, which means users can trade on the go and from anywhere with ease. So here's our guide to the cryptocurrency exchanges with the best UX design. I've illustrated what makes the above crypto exchanges stand out in terms of user experience. Coinbase stands head and shoulders high above the other exchanges because of its emphasis on simplicity, as both newbies and professionals alike can seamlessly use the exchange. This in turn has built trust for the exchange among its millions of users, as individuals naturally invest in exchanges that offer them a better trading experience. So please, I encourage you to share your thoughts on what you think the best crypto exchanges are for 2022 and why you think those exchanges are great. If you have any questions for me at all on these current exchanges, then drop me a comment also below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all on tomorrow's video.